Sottu. This divine prasad is usually made to be offered to Lord Hanuman. Made with chana dal and a few other ingredients, this sottu is also distributed among devotees at most Hanuman temples. It can be easily made at home and offered for divine blessings. So here is a recipe. Take 1 cup of chana dal in a kadai and roast it on low flame till it turns a light brown. Let it cool and then powder it in a mixer. Also roast a quarter cup of white sesame seeds, till, on low flame. Roast until it has stopped spluttering. Keep aside. Next is a half a cup of grated coconut. Roast on low flame until it has lost its moisture. You need not brown it. Take the chana dal powder in a bowl. Add the grated coconut and the roasted till.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आता चहा पावस चालू तर ते किती असेल रामदे सगळं अपलोड करता ते सगळं तुमचं इष्ट जातं म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आणि के व्हिडिओस घालूसला प्रेरणा तुम्ही तर दिमका ते देखून व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांक सगळं शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब करू काही सांगता कळलं.
Now add 2 lychees and powder it with a little sugar. Add this also. Next, add a few cashew nut bits roasted in ghee. Finally, add 1 cup of sugar. Now mix thoroughly. Now your prasad is ready to be offered. Usually this is made and offered on the 6th day of Navratri. So do try out this Navratri. As always, like, share and subscribe.